This is the Rewrite Intelligence Briefing. Today, 10 stories shaping artificial intelligence and how they connect. Apple has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, alleging the company recruited its employees and obtained confidential information. The complaint describes an aggressive effort by OpenAI to poach Apple staff and extract trade secrets for device development. Apple is seeking damages and a court order to prevent further misappropriation of its proprietary information. The case now moves through the legal system with no ruling yet issued. The outcome could reshape how tech companies compete for talent and protect their intellectual property. Apple has filed a major lawsuit against OpenAI, alleging trade secret theft. The iPhone maker claims OpenAI encouraged its employees to share confidential information about upcoming products. The complaint centers on whether OpenAI systematically recruited Apple staff to obtain proprietary product development details. This litigation represents one of the first major legal confrontations between the tech giants over artificial intelligence and corporate espionage allegations. The outcome could reshape how tech companies protect their workforce and intellectual property in the AI era. Apple has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, alleging the AI company stole sensitive hardware secrets. The iPhone maker claims OpenAI systematically recruited Apple staff members to transfer confidential data. Apple is seeking damages and a court order to stop further disclosure of its trade secrets. The case now moves through the legal system with no ruling yet issued. The outcome could reshape how tech companies protect employee knowledge and intellectual property. OpenAI is taking ChatGPT deeper into American homes. The company just posted a job for a dedicated product manager to build ChatGPT experiences for families, caregivers, and older adults. This signals a shift from individual users to household-level applications, though OpenAI has not announced specific features or launch dates. The move marks a new phase in how AI assistants could integrate into daily family life. The question now is what those household features will look like when they arrive. SoftBank Vision Fund has named a new finance and technology leader. Mark Agne, a 17-year Goldman Sachs veteran, takes the role as the fund shifts toward artificial intelligence. Agne previously led Japan Securities and co-headed Asia-Pacific equity trading before joining SoftBank in 2019. The appointment follows recent staffing changes under founder Masayoshi Son's strategic direction. The move signals SoftBank's continued repositioning in the AI-focused investment landscape. In China, parents are turning to artificial intelligence to help their children make one of life's biggest decisions. Following national entrance exam results, families are using AI tools to navigate the country's complex university admissions landscape. Millions of 18-year-old Chinese students must choose degree programs based on exam scores and institutional requirements. The trend reflects a growing adoption of AI applications for educational decision-making across China's highly competitive higher education sector. As AI becomes more embedded in education, the question remains whether it will level the playing field or deepen existing disparities. Elon Musk has ordered Tesla staff to abandon third-party AI tools and switch to Grok. The directive came in a memo sent Friday as Tesla caps spending on external AI services. Musk acknowledged in the memo that Grok is not as capable as competing models. The move prioritizes internal control and cost savings over performance. The question now is whether the trade-off will impact Tesla's productivity. GoQuick, an e-commerce enabler serving Indian retailers, has laid off between 100 and 120 employees. The cuts are part of a broader restructuring exercise carried out over recent weeks. The company is redirecting its focus toward artificial intelligence capabilities, a strategic bet that AI development will drive future growth. The question now is whether the company can execute its AI vision with a smaller team. Japan is weighing artificial intelligence agents as a potential solution to staff shortages in local governments. A new study group will evaluate how AI can be deployed across municipalities nationwide. An interim report is scheduled for the end of fiscal year 2026, with final recommendations expected by summer 2027. The 2-year timeline reflects Japan's methodical approach to integrating AI into public administration. The outcome could reshape how understaffed local governments operate across the country. In 2018, President Xi Jinping proposed a tech-focused board on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. The star market was established to finance breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, robotics, and semiconductors. Since its launch, the board has become a financial engine supporting China's innovation in frontier technologies. The star market represents a strategic shift toward tech sector capitalization. The question now is whether this model can sustain China's competitive edge in emerging technologies. That's today's briefing. Explore every story and how they connect on the neural web at rewrite.io. This was Rewrite.